Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the internet in China. So what works, what doesn't, and how can you stay connected while you are there. So if you're planning a trip or moving to China, make sure to watch till the end. The Great Firewall. First, you should know that China has something called the Great Firewall. This is a government system that blocks many popular websites and apps like Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and even some news sites. So if you go online normally, you might find that many of your favorite platforms simply don't load. But don't worry, there are reliable ways to stay connected. Using a VPN is one of them. So the most common solution is using a VPN or a virtual private network. A VPN changes your virtual location, letting you access the open internet safely and privately. Before traveling, make sure to download and set up a VPN because many VPN websites are also blocked inside China. Some popular ones that usually work are ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. Once it's installed, just connect to a server outside China and you'll be able to browse free. Part 3, Local apps and tips. Besides that, it's smart to get familiar with local Chinese apps. For example, WeChat for messaging and payments, Baidu for searching, and Youku or Bilibili instead of YouTube. Also, always keep a local SIM card or an eSIM with data. And remember, free Wi-Fi networks might be limited or require registration. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.